Hello my dear friends. So as I promised that I'll be back with 4 more rules of the sound, this is my second video where I'm going to cover those 4 rules. But before that, I need to revise the first 4 rules that we did. That whenever the sound comes in the beginning of any word, it might be C or it might be K. It might be the cat ka, it might be the kite ka. So what is the rule? If after sound A-O-U-R-L comes, then it will give you the cat ka. You need to write the cat ka. That is the letter C. But if after sound you are hearing I or E, the sounds of I and the letter E, then you are going to write the kite ka. That is the letter K. And the third rule is, if the k sound comes at the end of any word followed by a, e, o, that means the 5 short vowels, then you are going to write CK. Both these 2 letters you will write because this is a digraph. So these 3 rules, and the 4th rule was the letter combination CH, that is the digraph CH also gives you the sound of k. But all these words will come under the category of tricky words because these are all the Greek originated words. So please remember all these 4 rules and watch this video also till the end. So hi, this is SHWETA GUPTA and you are watching Twinkling Phonics. Let's rock! What 4 rules we are going to cover here? Let us have a look. Number 5, the rule number 5. 4 we have covered in the previous video. So letter K giving k sound at the end now. In the previous video, you have seen that CK is the grapheme that you write at the end. But no, my dear, this is not the end. You may write letter K at the end also, provided it is followed by a consonant. Rule number 6. Again, the letter K may come at the end, but if it is followed after a vowel team. The letter C may also come at the end, but it is having a rule which we are going to discuss in the 7th section. And similarly, we have the 8th rule, which is letter combination Q and U. This also gives you the sound of k. That means only one phoneme is there, that is k. But in how many ways you can write it? 8 different ways you may write it. So let us proceed with the 5th rule of this video. Right. So here we have the 5th rule, that is letter K at the end. But when will letter K come at the end? Letter K will come at the end if it is followed by a consonant. Now in the previous section you had seen that whenever a short vowel is followed by the k sound, then always it will be CK. But if it is followed by the letter N or a consonant, then it will be So what is this? This is a consonant, and that is why you will write only K here. You have a short vowel sound here. You have a consonant here. So you need to identify what sound is coming before the k sound. If you have k sound at the end, but before that you have a short vowel, write CK. But if before the k sound you have a consonant, then always you will write the letter K. Now see here, bank. You have 2 words. I'm giving you the comparison so that the rule is very clear to you. You have 2 words, back, a. Now what is a? A is a short sound. You will write CK here because after a, the k sound is CK. But if I write bank, now what is It is a consonant, and that is why the letter K will come here. So many times children do and commit this mistake while writing the k sound. You need to teach the children that whenever the k sound is there at the end of the word, we need to identify what is the previous letter or the previous sound. If it is a short vowel sound, write CK. If it is not a short vowel sound but a consonant, you need to write the letter K. Similarly, we have ink. Similarly, we have monk. And why only K is there at the end? Because it is followed by the letter N, which is a consonant. So first give the rule and then give them the words. Ta-da! So here I have taken the ink pots in which I have written all the words which are ending with the letter K. But if you see all the letters which are before the letter K, they are all N. Right? So here we need to identify that what is the letter which is coming before the K sound. If it is a short vowel, write CK. If it is then write K only. That is what the rule is. Now let us see few words. Ink, bank, link, pink, rank, tank, sink. And let us see the sixth rule now. Now what is the sixth rule? Again the letter K may come at the end. But what is the change you are seeing here? See, what is this? This is a vowel team. This is a vowel team which is not a short vowel sound. E. See, B-E-K. E. It is not a short vowel sound. And that is why you will write the letter K here. The rule says that whenever K sound comes at the end of the word after the vowel teams, or rather after the long vowel sounds, then in that case you will always write K, right? Let us see few words also again and let us see it in the comparative way. You have beak over here, okay? B-A-K. Since you have A over here, which is a short vowel sound, you will write CK. Similarly, B-A-N-K. Since you have N over here, you will write K. Similarly, B-E. Now, what is this E? It is a long sound. That is why, again, you will write K over here. If I have a word lick, L-E. Now, what is this E sound? It is a short vowel sound. And that is why you will write CK. Okay, L-E-K. E is a short vowel sound, you will write CK. But if you have link, L-E-K. So you know the rule now that after K will come. Similarly, you have leak, L-E. Now what is this E? It is a long vowel sound. Therefore, again it will have K over here. So I hope the rule is clear to you. Although the rule is slightly confusing, but the rule has proper base. Please learn it and give it to the children. Let us see few words again here. I have taken the leeks. Now this sort of a vegetable is known as a leek. That is why I have taken the examples of leek. Read the words now. Eek, peak, leek, sneak, freak, eek, squeak, choke, meek, streak, steak, teak, bleak, reek, seek, and then so on. So the example is very much clear here. Let us see the seventh rule now. Now, what is the seventh rule? In the seventh rule, we are going to talk about letter C coming at the end also, right? Just see the word here. Here, we are not having CK at the end, although this is a short vowel sound. So, what is the rule? The rule says that if you are having a word which is ending with the K sound, but the word is a multisyllabic, disyllabic word, or in a layman language, if the word is having more than one vowel sound, then always you will write the letter C. Similarly, see the word logic. So here how many vowels are there? 1 and 2, and that is why you will write only C at the end. You will never write CK. Let us see one more example here. See, if you have lick, so you will write lick. Why? Why CK? Because it is coming after a short vowel and this word is having only one vowel into it. But if I want to write garlic, So gar, and I should have written lick like this. No, I write lick as L-I-C only, not C-K. Why? Because this word is having two vowel sounds here, and that is why the K at the end will be skimmed off, right? So that is why garlic is written like this. Similarly, pick, nick. If you want to write nick, so k sound will be written with CK. Why? Because this word is having only one vowel sound. इसमें खाली एक ही vowel sound है. But if I want to write picnic, so pick, again I'm not writing CK. Nick, again I'm not writing CK. Why? Because the whole word is having two vowel sounds here, and that is why the K at the end will be skipped off. So this is the rule that you need to understand. These three rules that I have discussed right now, these three are slightly complicated rules, but one by one you need to give it to the children. So let us see the words here. I have taken the garlic here. Since garlic is having a rule like this, I have taken the garlic cloves here. So it is critic. Why we don't have K here? यहाँ पे हमारे पास K क्यों नहीं है? Why? Because the word is having two vowel sounds. Similarly, garlic. Similarly, cosmic. How many vowel sounds are there? 1 and 2. So that is why you don't have CK at the end. Metric, hectic, static, clinic, ironic, tactic. Everywhere you are finding that you have only C at the end, not CK. Why not CK? Because the word is having at least two vowel sound. That is why you have logic, mathematic, artistic, cosmic, static, critic. All these words you don't have CK at the end, but you have C at the end. So what is the rule? The rule says if sound comes at the end after the vowel sounds in a multi-syllable word. Now what is a multi-syllable word? A word which is having greater than one vowel sound. Greater than one means 2, 3, 4 or something like that. So those parts which are having one vowel sound, they are known as syllables. And if a word is having more than one syllable, it is called as di or multisyllabic word. So in a multisyllabic word, we never write CK at the end. Now the last and the 8th rule, again here, the combination QUE and QU, both of them give you the sound of K. But many of these words are actually English words, and some of the words are also the Greek and the Latin words, and that is why we need to learn many of them, like squash, squash, quaint, quaint, equate, mosque, liquid, quack, quack, check, queen, squad, quilt, squat, and then so on. So you have the words of qu also. So now it must be clear to every one of you that the sound is only one k, but it can be written in many different ways, and you need to learn all those rules one by one, and you need to teach all those rules also one by one to the children. If you also want to learn such rules, buy this copy now. This is 251 spelling rules which I've penned down, and this is available on Amazon. It is the #1 bestseller on Amazon, and you may find it out there and book your copy now if you really want to learn such amazing rules. So signing off now, this is SHWETA.